What the going on with this dog? Molding things. Yes, sir. Back on go mode. Running them routes. Yes, sir. Yes, Lord. I've arrived. What the going on with this dog? Roads regular. I don't see how y'all drive with people like this in front of y'all. But they'll have a road rage like, where the you going? Cause don't nobody want to see your bitch. Don't nobody care about you cruising in that bull ass car. Get your ass up out the way. Yeah. Dead ass law. I have a rave. I'll get y'all some tuition assistance, gang. Yes, sir. Go mode. And just like that. Look where I spotted, gang. Just chilling in the cut, gang. Check out where I spotted. Just chilling in the cut. Ooh, nasty. Nasty. I ain't gonna get all up on him, gang, but that thing nasty. Got the cage in there, boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He raw. He raw, gang. That boy raw. Yes, sir. Check him out on the inside. Nice. Yes, sir. I don't know why my camera looks so damn cloudy today. I guess because it's a gloomy day out. Stop at the stop and something to drink. Nothing to drink it down a little bit. What you gonna drink today? A little bit. You bought Pepsi last time. In the cup.